What's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Toad Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the blue Snowball Ice, the black edition. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so we back. So what we got here is the blue Snowball Ice, the black edition. At the bottom of the box it has plug and play USB microphone, USB plug and play. What else does it have down here? Let's see. Discord certified and also Skype certified. So this seems like a pretty good camera. Let's check it out on the side, see what they got over here. Blue Snowball Ice plug and play again. Around back, let's see what it says. Crystal clear audio for Skype. Create professional sounding podcasts, record instrument vocals and entire bands, and easy to plug and play directly into your PC or Mac, and there's no drivers to install. So that's pretty good right there. That's one thing I like about this, that you don't have to install any drivers with this particular microphone. So around this side, let's see what it has. See if I can focus. Custom condenser capsule, offers crystal clear audio, USB cables in the box, and also adjustable desk stand, and also has a cool sound. That's what they say. Well, we'll see, and we'll be the judge of that. Well, let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got in here, if we can get it open. All right, let's pull it out. What we got here. That right there is the capsule itself. I'm gonna put that to the side and see what else we got in this box. See what else we got. Something else in here if I can get it out. If I can just reach my utility belt, Robin. It does not want to come out. It's just stuck at the bottom. Let's see if I can pull it. Still doesn't want to come out. All right, let's try the back door. See what we got. Let's go. See if it's gonna come. Still doesn't want to come out. So maybe if I push it in, there it goes. All right, that didn't want to come out at all. All right, so we got another box here. Probably our USB cables and instruction manuals, things like that. So let's open up, see what we got inside. And I was correct. We got our little warranty papers. If it focuses on it, yep. Different kind of languages, just throw that to the side. And here we have our instruction manuals. Might read that, might not. It says plug and play, so we probably don't need that. So right here we have the adjustable stand that it was talking about. So let's open it up, take a look at that. All right, so this is your adjustable stand that you're gonna put your capsule on whenever you put your microphone on the desk. And it has 3 legs on it. Nice build quality, feels good in the hands. And at the top right there we have that threaded connection that you're going to screw into the bottom of your capsule. So that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the legs, extend those out. Alright, pretty nice, pretty nice. Set that to the side, open up this USB cable, see what kind it is. Probably just standard USB. And let me look, and I know they didn't. This is a micro USB. No, mini USB, I'm sorry. Not even a micro. I don't know why they did that. Mini USB. Alright, what else in the box? Nothing else in there. Alright, let's take a look at the capsule. I'm gonna open that up. Got a lot of protection around it. See if I can break it open on the side somewhere. Get that out. And here it goes, wrapped in plastic. So we got that capsule right there. It's pretty sturdy in the hands, feels good. It's pretty hefty too. It's not all that hefty, but it's solid build quality. That's what I mean. Let's take a look at it if I can focus on it. On the back, you got your little cutouts, your USB port back there. Around the sides, around the front, that's where your microphone is. It's not a dual side microphone, so you're gonna have to talk directly into the microphone at the front. You can't have 2 people sitting like across from each other. Both people need to be sitting in front of the microphone, or you need to have 2 microphones itself. So just looking at the build quality around the capsule itself, there's some wording here, just some some rating information as far as the voltage and things like that goes. Right there is rated at 5 volts, 500 milliamps. I mean milliamperes, sorry. Other things, yeah, that's pretty much it around that side. And if you haven't noticed, I'm gonna fill you in on a little secret. I'm actually talking using the blue Snowball Ice right now. So if you want to be a judge of the audio quality and how it sounds, listen to my voice right here, because I'm recording this whole thing on the blue Snowball Ice. That's why you didn't hear any ruffling or pages or boxes tearing or something like that. And this is a funny moment right here. When I try to screw this thing on, guess what's gonna happen? I am gonna drop it. So don't be like me. Don't be like me. Be careful when you're screwing this thing on, because it doesn't want to go on. So I'm go ahead and pick it up and see if we can get it on. I was having a time with that. Look at, see what we're doing. It's a threaded connection, but it didn't want to go on. All right, twisting that thing on, see what we can do with it. And I like the way it feels, and I like the way it looks, and hopefully the sound, the audio quality is not far behind the build quality, because I'm expecting great things out of this microphone itself. And there it is standing up, and as you see, you can tilt it frontwards and backwards, kind of tilt it to get your voice. And there you have it. That's the blue Snowball Ice microphone. Just wanted to point out the LED at the top to let you know that there's power to it. And once again, at the back, there's your mini USB connector, and that's pretty much all you get. So thanks for watching. If I helped you out anyway, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and I will holler at y'all in the next one. Peace.